Oh my. Know what you're thinking. Just hear me out. It was between my hair days. He needed his car worked on. I had to drop everything for my customer. Let's just ignore it. Just don't judge. Yeah, he teaches me everything.
You kind of gave a bad impression. Hey guys! Yeah, I'm definitely not watching.
Hey, this is coming from the guy who watches How to Basic.
Because he's funny.
He is.
Screw you.
Welcome back to the vlog.
Welcome back to the... Wow, what an intro. Welcome back. What do you mean welcome back to the vlog? You're just starting it.
This is like episode... Well, this would... What?
Welcome back to the vlog.
Yeah, man. You never know when people are going to binge.
I'm just playing. You're okay, I guess. Skin color's kind of dumb.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. How'd I know? So today, we are doing a brake rotor replacement, pad and rotor actually, replacement on Caden's Genesis G70 sedan. So...
Did you assume my car's engine?
Did you just assume
it's a 3.8 liter. Thank you very much.
Oh, sorry.
Cars are canceled.
Oh my gosh.
Lightning McQueen.
Cars and Cruising, now officially Cars and canceled.
That's funny.
So I'm on the clock right now, so I'm gonna put this on a time lapse and get back to work because I'm sure he don't want to be paying more than $50 for this. Although he totally would.
He's just trying to hide the fact that we're gonna.
Here we are, helplessly snowbound.
Don't worry about me. I'm a thug.
So as you can see,
Don't worry about me. I'm a thug.
got the rotor off.
Oh, greasy.
He's saying
We don't talk about it.
we're about to put the new rotor on. And relatively quick, nothing crazy. So back at it.
Here we are, helplessly snowbound. Here we are, helplessly snowbound.
So appointment's done. He's about to head out.
Thank you, sir.
Oh, no problem.
Pleasure doing business.
Double
with you,
cup,
sir.
cup.
This is. You're gonna use the double cup for the fucking slurp. Alright, bad bro. Base on the way up. Let's test
Oh,
these brakes,
Lord.
shall we? Let's test these brakes.
Oh yeah.
Successfully paired.
Shut up. He's going.
You can't even leave it up there, can you?
I can.
Just use this.
I can. Don't worry
You're
about
talented.
me.
I'll
I'm a thug.
give you that. Water on my butt like a tub.
All right, you good.
Beautiful.
Let's go for a ride.
Mike Dimes. We're doing it.
Oh Lord. Oh, let's go to the pool parking lot.
Justin Maiden.
Let's go to the pool parking lot first.
All right. Hold on. Let me pause it. All right. Get your phone.
So
it's going to fall
it's
off.
cool.
No. What'd I tell you?
So, Caden's selling this car, and this next one he gets, what's it gonna be?
So this one, I was planning on doing an engine swap for a 4.6 liter V8 engine instead of a 3.8 liter V6. A new paint job and a new interior because this has cracks right there. It's got like a crack down here in the speaker frame. I mean, this is all dirty and stuff. I was planning on getting a new interior, which all would have cost me like $4,000 or $5,000, if not more.
Word.
But with this new one, he's selling the exact same model, 2009 Hyundai Genesis with a 4.6 liter V8 engine, new interior and new paint job and new bumper.
Word.
So I'd be basically getting all that for $500 because I'm selling this for $6,500 and he's selling his for $7,000. So it's a quick deal if I can sell this one. Sorry.
Word. I'm messing with you. Ooh, that thing is clean.
It is, honestly. I like. Okay then, dude. He's staring at us like, what are they doing? Wait, hold on.
Holy. So it is Saturday morning. McLaren's having their Caffeine and Exotics car show, and I was gonna go take pictures, but something came in the mail first. So we're gonna try and throw these on before I go up to the show. he's got to go do something else. I'm excited. Let's get to it. So, lowering a Benz on aromatic is pretty simple. If you want to just do lowering links, you can do that. I would recommend taking out the relay for the air suspension to re-level everything, so that way when you have the car on the jack stand, it doesn't save the height of the jack stand in the up position. Now, let's get to work. Start by lifting up the jack, lifting up the car on the designated jack pucks, right under those squares on the rocker panel. Don't mind the ball joint, I'll have to get that replaced. And then, once you get it high enough to access, you should be able to go right on ahead, and up in there, you should be able to get right to the height sensor arm, unscrew it, do what you need to do, take it off, and then put the new one on. So we're gonna go ahead and get to doing that because we have very limited time today.
Cookie soul.
This next part is usually what scares most people away from lowering their Benz themselves, and it's getting under the car to mess with the module. Right there. It's up under here. So that's the thing that discourages most people. You have maybe like 1.5 feet of clearance, and putting your life on these. On that. So let's get to it, because I want my car lower. Made the first adjustment, didn't like it, wasn't low enough. Making another. It's actually relatively simple as long as you have surgical hands and can work around the jack stand. It's not too bad, but it's still kind of scary. It's late, so we're gonna get back to it. So, update, it's the next day. I had forgotten to reset the system when I, put the links in. And I redid some of the height last night. But, here it is. It's finally lowered and settled. It's not ridiculous. Now, I did it stupid and I reset it on a uneven surface. So this side is higher. And what I think I'm gonna do is I'm going to level it up and just raise this side instead of lifting the other side, because I actually like the tucked look. So I'm gonna do that real quick before we go to work. But yeah, that's the product of the hard work I put in to lowering this car. So with that, I think I'm gonna end this one out. It was a great vlog. I'm really glad y'all came to join me on it. I'm loving the new lowered look so far. I'll get to the finished product. I'll show the finished product in a little bit. But yeah, I'm just happy. I'm happy I got it lowered finally. It's looking better. This is my first mod that I've done to this car. There's many more to come. So with that, I'm gonna say, don't drive faster than your guardian angel can fly, and we'll see you next time.